tears this terrain up easy. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Alright, so it's muddy and sort of foggy out this morning, and it's actually only about 39 degrees. So let's take this Viper S out for a little bit of a cruise and see how it can do in the mud. So far it's doing pretty good. Just ripping right along. Woo! I love the suspension on this thing. I mean, it's just like eats up this rough terrain. You kind of never would think that it would, but I mean, given that it doesn't really look like a very big bike, small tires and everything, but this ride's so much bigger than it is. It's crazy out here with the fog this morning. Hello, creepy guy. Yeah, this is wild fog this morning. Yeah, see how it just like eats it right up this rough hill, just like it's nothing, guys. Just tears this terrain up easy. I mean, these are like, I don't know if you can tell in the video, wide angle camera sometimes doesn't make it look as bad as it is, but this is rough up this path. These are some pretty big rocks, pretty big, you know, ditches and so forth, and it just like jams through it like nothing. Just like it wants more. I mean, even over these big bumps here, the suspension's just eating it up. Just crushing it. Just imagining things. I wonder how soft it is out here. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's pretty freaking muddy. Oh yeah, this track is muddy, you guys. Holy cow. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look at this rooster tail. Holy crap. Oh man, yeah, this is a giant mud bog in here. Man, this thing is a definite mess though. I am gonna seriously have to like get after this guy with the power washer. Look at this thing. Dang. Look at my track through this mud right here. Holy muddum. Oh my gosh. Yeah. So it definitely can get it done in pretty much whatever conditions, guys. This thing is out here right now, like just tearing it up in this mud. but I can definitely tell it wants a bath. It is dirty. Yeah, and it wants a charge. That battery's down below 50%. Doesn't want to pull wheelies quite as easy. Out here in the cold with a low battery. Woo! But it just eats up all this rocky, nasty stuff, you guys. And all this mud like nothing today. That was awesome. Yeah, look at her. Ain't she pretty? Definitely needs a bath now. But, I mean, fully handles it. Even in all this nasty, muddy stuff. Thing is still a blast to ride. Rips it up good. I'm really liking this Viper S, you guys. Check them out. I'll put the link down in the description below. But you can pick one of these up right now for right around $1,500, which is, in my opinion, like really good. So I hope you guys like hanging out with me today. If you like this one, check out one of the other couple of videos I've got up on screen for you right now. And until next time, keep riding, stay free. I love you guys.